Welcome to the spoken tutorial on styling a page using themes. In this tutorial, we will learn about Introduction to Themes, finding themes, and installing a basic theme. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux operating system, Drupal 8, and Firefox web browser. You can use any web browser as per your choice. As mentioned earlier, a Drupal website can look like anything we want. In fact, here are some of the different looks and feels from several Drupal sites. Notice that they are completely different. This is based on the theme. Themes can make your Drupal site look like anything you want. Here are a few things to remember about themes. We can get themes from a few different places. We have free themes at Drupal.org which are called contributed themes. Or we can purchase a theme from a number of different vendors also. Or we can create our own theme like Artisteer from Artisteer.com. That is, build it from scratch. Contributed themes can be found at Drupal.org/project/themes. Block regions are all determined by the theme. So, where we can place blocks on our website is a part of the theming process. If we don't have the right region, then it's a theme issue, not a block issue. Let's now understand themes a little bit more. We can get some fantastic free themes at Drupal.org. Go to Drupal.org/project/themes. Let's take a look at some of the themes that are available for Drupal. Recall from our modules tutorial, we have to filter by the core compatibility of the Drupal version we are using. There are 2205 themes here. When we click on Drupal 8, this comes down to a smaller number. With new theme additions after this tutorial was recorded, you may see a higher number now. Let's talk about how to find and evaluate themes. This is very similar to modules. We will start here at Drupal.org. Now, when we filter by core compatibility, they get automatically sorted by most installed. Adaptive theme is number 1 at this point, and Bootstrap is number 2. Let's click on Bootstrap. Recall our DMV illustration from the module tutorial? It's the same thing here. You have to read the documentation first, then check out the maintainers, and look at the versions and project informations. At the time of recording, this particular theme is in Drupal 8 X 3.0 Alpha 1 version. And there is a development version also. Later on, there's going to be a Drupal 8 version of this theme, up here in the green. A contributed theme can have several flavors as well. There are 3 different kinds of themes. We can have a very simple contributed theme that you can configure to a point. We can have starter themes like Bootstrap or Zen. It will literally give you a blank screen and a minor framework in order to put your own CSS in. Or we can have a base theme that is designed to have other sub-themes placed on top of it, something like adaptive theme. But the rules are all the same here. Look at documentation, look at the maintainers, and look at the versions. We will install a contributed theme now. Let's go to Drupal.org/project/Zircon. Scroll down. This is a nice theme that's been developed specifically for Drupal 7 and 8. It's not used on many sites. We will be using this theme because it is ready for Drupal 8 as of today. Let's right-click on tar.gz, copy that link. This is similar to installing modules. Let's go back to our site. This time, click on Appearance and install New Theme. Again, same process as with modules. Let us paste that URL and then click Install. The theme is downloaded to our web server and we are now able to turn it on. Click Install Newly Added Themes. Scroll down to the bottom and you will see Zircon, a flexible recolorable theme with many regions and a responsive mobile-first layout. Click Install and set as default. Now, as we learned in the intro video, number 1, installing new themes doesn't change the content. And number 2, we may need to reposition our blocks. Now let's take a quick look at the settings. Click on the word Settings. We have the normal toggle display in Zircon and the shortcut icon. Once again, if you want to update the logo, that's under the Global Settings and Logo Image Settings. Click Save and then go to our site. This is Zircon, a completely flexible, robust and global-friendly theme for Drupal. Let's head over to Structure and Blocks and click on Demonstrate Block Regions for Zircon. We'll see a number of block regions here. A header region. The main menu needs to go in the main menu block region because then it gets proper formatting. Then there's a slideshow region in case you are using something like View Slideshow. A featured block region. Help, Sidebar First, Sidebar Second, Content, Panel First, Panel Second, call 1, 2, 3 and 4. And then a footer region. Notice that some of the regions from our default theme are no longer available. Let's take a quick look and see what we need to do here. There are a lot of stuff in the header region. The footer region, to which we had assigned the Powered by Drupal block, no longer exists. We will put that back into footer. It immediately disappears from the header. Let's take that status message out of the header and put it into messages. Let's put that footer menu again down into footer. We'll leave search, site branding and user account menu where they are for now. Primary menu is in the wrong spot, but let's just take a quick look at that. Click Save Blocks. Go back to our site. And we'll see that the main menu is nowhere to be found. That's because primary menu doesn't exist in this theme. So, we will take our main navigation and change that to main menu. Scrolling down, let's take a quick look. In our content area, we've got the help block. Let us put that in help. Page title, primary admin actions, and page tabs are fine. Sidebar First, welcome to Drupalville, book navigation, recent events added, and tools. Let's take the tools menu and put that inside Sidebar Second. We haven't done this before. There are 4 panel regions here, in which we can place anything we want. Now click Save. And let's take a look at what we did. This is a lot better now. Our menu is properly placed in the main menu block region. The CSS is picked up, making it a nice inline menu with some shading and some coloring. Book navigation, recently added events on the left. And the tools are on the right. Again, Sidebar First, Sidebar Second. And all the content is in the middle. A couple of things to point out here. We've changed our themes. Everything has changed except our content. We've got the new fonts, new font styles, new H3 tags, new block regions, layouts, and a new footer area. But what's not changed is our content and the actual layout of our content. To change those, we will need to use panels or display fields. Those are the add-on modules that we can get from Drupal.org. Themes are fantastic. Now, this is a really simple theme. There are also some very complex themes that we can get for Drupal. You can come back to Drupal.org themes. Take a look at some of the Drupal 8 themes that are available. Find some themes that you like, install them, and play with them. This is a great way to learn about how themes impact your site. You may find just the design that you want. With this, we come to an end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we have learned about introduction to themes, finding themes, and installing a basic theme. This video is adapted from Acquia and OS Training and revised by the Spoken Tutorial Project, IIT Bombay. The video at this link summarizes the Spoken Tutorial project. Please download and watch it. The Spoken Tutorial Project team conducts workshops and gives certificates. For more details, please write to us. Spoken Tutorial Project is funded by NMEICT, Ministry of Human Resource Development, and NVLI, Ministry of Culture, Government of India. This is Vanessa Workey signing off. Thanks for joining.